Well, there she is, boys. Purring, working. This is not my trailer, by the way. But here she is, a Mercedes-Benz Actros. We're gonna start packing their stuff into here. Let's go inside. They said it was dirtier. I mean, it's not clean by any form of the imagination, but it's not that bad either. It smells a little funky in here. But hey, that's what getting a truck is like. Let me show you my trailer. So there's a couple of things wrong with it. First of all, apparently the gauges go away. I don't have the thing for that. This is not my trailer. It's icy, so I hope I don't bust ass. My trailer, however, is right here. That is my trailer. So I'm gonna start packing up and stuff, and let's get to it because I got a lot of packing and cleaning to do. So I already got the cleaning supplies out there, so let's hop in and start doing it. All right, we're working on it. It's starting to come together slowly but surely. It's still not great. I don't know who the hell lived there. Oh, so that thing on the ground right there, completely done. It's screwed. So almost there. It's coming together. It's coming together. I wish I had my hat. I'm gonna go get a hat so you guys have like a point of view, like up here somewhere, and I'll be like looking around and stuff. So they'll be that really soon. So here's how much the truck is driven. I don't know if you can see that. You could see that. So yeah, let's keep on going. So this is roughly the point of view you guys are going to be getting soon. Here, let me just turn off that copyright music real quick. Let's just do this. Boom, there we go. So this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. We put the thing in there, and it was a pain, wasn't it, to get it out? Yes. Yes, it was terrible. So this is the view you're going to roughly get, like right here. This is what you guys are going to get. So I'm just testing it out right now. That's how it's going to look. Hopefully it's good. So it is currently 11. It's almost noon, so we're gonna pack up the last couple of things, put that operation back where it's supposed to be, and we're gonna be getting out of the truck and stuff, and I think we'll be done for today. So yeah. Okay, I've been here for 2.5 something hours. The truck has finally come together. It's looking cleaner. It still needs a good cleaning, but nonetheless we'll be fine. So there was gunk everywhere. There was trash and gunk everywhere. I mean, the doors, you could even see they're still dirty and stuff. There was stuff underneath the doors and stuff. I don't want to really vlog that much because it's about to be lunchtime, and I don't want to sit until lunch until everyone's done with everything. I got places to be and stuff to do. Tomorrow we're gonna go get loaded, so I'll probably add that into the same video, and then yeah, we'll call it a day there. But this truck was nasty. This truck was nasty. So I wonder if I put you also guys right here. Also, I'll have a camera eventually over there all the way, like in the back, so you guys can see all of that. So this is in the narrow mode too, so it's more for selfie, for, you know, self video, you know what I mean. So yeah guys, we're going to be starting the truck. I've worked for this company before, so I know everything how it is, and that's why you quit nicely in certain situations. If they really piss you off, just quit. But I mean, I've done everything from truck abandonment to quitting nicely. So I've driven these Mercedes. I've driven them now working with the stores that I used to work with, so I'm familiar with driving this type of truck. And yeah, I'm gonna head out because, like I said, it's about to be lunch and I don't want to wait until lunch. I still gotta sign documents for employment, and tomorrow we're gonna go get loaded, and tomorrow you should have a hat cam, so there's that. All right, there we go. We got loaded. This is my first load. It's for a train. We put up a bunch of securement. They kind of wrapped around that like how I wanted. Put these in the back, in the front. For the one in the back, these are tight. They're not even going that far, 110 kilometers. So I'm not gonna really bother doing them up real well. And then we're gonna go get loaded in Austria, and yeah, we'll be good from there. So that's my first load. 2 pieces, 3 tons. So let's go write everything down in our book. Take care of the curtain because, as you can see, it's not fully done up yet. And then we'll switch to the GoPro. All right, so like I said, we got loaded. Let's start driving now. It's 2 Celsius. It's currently 9:34, and we're in some village that I have no clue. And I think I squeezed my seatbelt with the yep. All right, we've got 152 kilometers. Let me pull out my chargers real quick. Get that all set up too. Here's the last thing I want to do is be driving and have my thing die. Oh, I found my other thing, because I don't know if this is So we're gonna put this in here, yeet, and we're gonna try to swap up this with the other cable, with this cable, because I think this cable might be broken. Okay, and then we need to find my cables. They're over here. I still haven't officially moved in today. It's just like a quick run, and then yeah, I'll be going home after I drop this load off and grab the other one. Boom. And let's turn up the brightness. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's get going. Let's get moving to it. We're gonna just turn around here. As you can see, my mirrors are kind of screwed. Go a little bit further. Whip a UE here. Can't see out of my mirrors realistically right now, but here, let me turn on the heater. There we go. Whoop the UE, and away we go. That mirror is completely covered in snow. I'm gonna have to stop and clean that mirror off, to be fair. Alright, let's get on the road. I don't know what kind of footage you guys are getting, but yeah. They cleaned up the roads too, so that's nice. Alright, so we got past the guard check. Like I said, I don't film people. I try not to film people. So now the GPS doesn't know where we're going, because apparently it says there's no way out of here, but there is. There is, I know, because this is how I came in. It tried to take me down some road. There was no road there, and I was like, okay, yeah, we're not doing that right now. GoPro maps. So let's clean up this windshield. Oh, the snow's melting off the mirror, so that's nice. Got another big boy coming. We'll fit. We'll make it fit. Not the greatest of weather. It's supposed to be like this all day, so yeah. Let's let him pass. There we go. Alright. Can't see shit out the window. Alright, no one's coming. Alright, let's go, boys, let's go. So, they actually broke the load a little bit while I was there. They tried to like put it in the back, and it didn't really want to go into the back and stuff like that. So yeah, without that being said, it is what it is. So we're gonna be driving. As you can see, it's a beautiful winterland today. Also by a different hat, just because the other one was falling off and stuff. So yeah, we're not gonna do the squeaky wiper thing, okay? So I'm not gonna be able to go extremely fast, plus the load could have been placed in better. I mean, you guys saw it, there's spaces and gaps. I did my best to, you know, secure it, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna call my boss and I'll be back later. All right, guys. So what was that? View messages. I can't view my messages right now, I'm too busy. Anyways, so some of you have been asking what's up with the whole, like, you're saying ex-wife and stuff now. Yeah, me and my wife got divorced. You know, this career is not for everyone, and maybe in fact it wasn't even the career. I mean, people grow apart, you know, it is what it is. So we're just gonna leave it at that. We grew apart, it is what it is. And yeah, so now we're gonna continue to the next destination, unload there as well. Then we gotta go get loaded, and then tomorrow this truck should go into the repair shop because it needs a couple things to get worked on. And yeah, it is what it is. But for the most part, you know, maybe this is the kick I needed in life to get my shit together, you know. Also, having this GoPro is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. We could actually now vlog. As you can see, I'm only going 60. Realistically, I can't go any faster on these roads. So yeah. He also said go through a city. I need to check my GPS will take me like that. I mean, I have roads, so it doesn't really matter. Like, I paid for roads, so it's not like I have to stay strictly on unpaid roads, but you know. So anyways, yeah, we'll get there when we get there, and then we're gonna go get loaded again. So yeah, I think I already know where I'm going to get loaded, and I think I know what the load's gonna be. And then next week we're going to Austria, so back into the old routes and old habits. So you know how it is. You know how it is. Yeah, so I'm excited for this new chapter, guys. Obviously now, since I have a GoPro, it's gonna be a little bit different as well, with more content, especially driving content. Maybe we'll do some fuel stops as well. I plan to make a video out of that. And we'll see how the GoPro handles. I don't have enough attachments yet for it, but we'll work on it. And yeah, just, you know, this was a birthday gift from the whole family, so you know, thank you to all of them. And yeah, now we're gonna start making content. I still need to buy a bigger SD card and extra battery and head mount, chest mount, all that other stuff, but hey, at least the main part, the GoPro itself, is purchased. So they did clean this road when I was going to get loaded, but it took me so long to get loaded that it's filthy again. So yeah, that's the gist of it, boys. So I'll see you guys when I see you, probably most likely when I'm either getting loaded or unloaded again. So yeah, at the company, this is exactly what I'm gonna load. I don't know what they're called in English. It's dark, but I had one hell of a day yesterday. Basically, maybe I should talk about it while I'm driving on the GoPro, but I have to concentrate when I'm driving because these tires are terrible. Can't see anything in front of me. It's 7 currently. They're supposed to be here at 8. But basically yesterday we got stuck, the current wasn't working. It was just a terrible day. It was a terrible day. So we're gonna get loaded with this and then head home, and then probably leave on Sunday. And yeah. Alright, here's a trailer. Here's my truck. Well, what's my truck? Listen, I'm gonna say something real quick. First of all, this pissed me off. I can't fucking stand this. Like, it's ripped up there and it keeps on coming out. We did put new of these in, so now we actually can put down the trailer, because the old ones, they were looking rough. So yeah, we fixed the curtain. It's all loaded up.